Hi guys, welcome back to another video with us. My name's Jaylene. You've seen me in a couple videos. Jason usually does the DIY and more of the construction side, but today we're going to dedicate this video to homeowners, business owners or future business owners, a little bit of what happens in the background of a business. We're going to be talking about insurance, systems and procedures, how to keep the business running.
Let's talk less and fix more roofs.
So let's get started with insurance. It's very confusing. For a lot of people, I had my bumpy road through it. And the way insurance works is they're gonna take, these are all example numbers, they're gonna take what you made. So everything that came into the company without deducting any materials or what you paid for your subs or any of that. So for example purposes, let's say you estimate to make $500,000 this year. You're gonna tell that to the insurance company. And you estimate to pay the subs $100,000. So your policy will be based on the $100,000 that you're going to be paying the subs and the $500,000 that is going to be bringing in. Once a year, the insurance companies come and do an audit for you. What they do is they take your taxes, they take what you've paid the subs, and they take a profit and loss statement from your accountant. The profit and loss statement shows exactly what your taxes should be showing, right? So that's what the audit does. It now double checks to make sure that you weren't lying. A lot of people have hiccups because they lie. They'll say, oh no, we're only gonna pay our subs $50,000. So the insurance writes the premium on $50,000. When the insurance comes and does the audit and realizes that you lied and that you only put 50, but now it was actually 100, now you have to pay the difference. This is the hiccup. They don't let you pay this over a year. You gotta pay it in 30 days. So that could be a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 bill that needs to be paid within 30 to 60 days. So a lot of contractors make that mistake. Why? Because they think that paying the policy up front over 100 is too much money. But what they don't understand is you're gonna have to pay it regardless. My theory on this is I'd rather them have more than less, right? I don't wanna get hit in the middle of winter because my audits are in February. I don't want to get hit in the middle of winter with a $30,000 insurance bill that I have no money to pay because I lied to my insurance carrier. So I always overestimate. And if it's your second year in business, use your last year's numbers and add a little bit more because hopefully you're escalating. You're making more each year, right? We don't want big jumps in business. We want little jumps. Every year you make a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. So that's how I estimate our insurance quote. And they're gonna get your taxes. There's no way around this unless you're lying on your taxes, and the IRS is gonna get you because you can't make $500,000 and only paid your subs 50. What are you doing with the rest, right? They're gonna compare other businesses and you have to be around that. They're gonna catch you. So you can lie up front, but then they always come back. They want a copy of your taxes, copy of your profit and loss statement, and they want a report. I usually do an Excel, the sub name, and how much I paid. Another super important thing, when you hire a sub, they must carry their own insurance. Yes, you have your own insurance, but they also need to be protected. If you hire a sub without insurance, you're gonna be paying, in New Jersey right now, it's $30 per every 100 that you gave them on top of your premium that you already paid. When that audit comes, you have to supply a copy of their insurance. They have to have the liability insurance and their workers' comp insurance valid. That is very important. I have had that happen to me where I hire a sub, it was all talk, yes, yes, yes. We have it, I'm gonna send you the paperwork. One thing, the next, whatever. I never confirmed paperwork, never got the paperwork. I paid this sub. Audit time comes. I'm calling them, hey, I really need your insurance. I got an audit coming up. No insurance. Here I am stuck. Whatever it is, you paid them $10,000, that's $30 per every 100 that you paid this sub. It's a big bill. And like I said, Insurance aren't like, oh, poor thing. No, they want their money now. They want it within 30 to 60 days. I've seen this happen. Some people go out of work because they will cancel your insurance. They're gonna cancel until you're caught up on payments. Make sure their subs are insured. Make sure your policy is written correctly, correct amount, or roundabouts. Always go up a little bit higher. You may not know. Maybe you hire a new employer. Maybe you got more work. We don't have any guaranteed jobs, right? This month we could sell 20, next month it could be 30, and you weren't counting on that growth. Just overprice your premiums. You're gonna get that money back. It's not like the insurance is gonna keep it. They'll send you a check back at the end of the year. It's better than owing. This video is all about insurances and subs being insured. Our next video is gonna be about taxes and operations. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.